Hey, what's up, Shibano holder? This time, the holders of Shibano take a very bad decision. They do a very huge mistake. What's the mistake of Shibano holder? The mistake is that they starting selling. Definitely, if you starting selling, there is a few reasons to they were very badly fails down, my brother. So let's see, my brother. I recommend I share my expectation in this video, my brothers, to really in this coin is going the moon, or and why you are doing this mistake, what you do, what's my opinion, everything I will discuss you. But you need to subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for videos notification, because ABS Tech channel will guide you, will update you every time. Now, so let's see, my brother, last 7 days chart, and after that, my brother, I predicate this coin, I do a technical analysis, and then I will share my opinion to this is selling time, holding time, or buying time. So my brother, this time they are loading, but let's see, my brother, towards the problem. But kindly holder, please, you need to subscribe it. So this time last 7 days chart, I going to open it. So the last 7 days chart, if I open it, you can see a minus 20.63%. the price is decreased now. And the last 1 month, especially and you can see after this point, you can see especially June 3, you can see they completely moving upward. Especially in the start of month, every cryptocurrency is very badly falls down, but this time you can see this coin is moving upward. But after that, as you can see here, June 4, 6, 7, 8, this coin is completely falls down. So it's 100% sure, my brother, to upcoming time this coin is more falls down and they cannot recover now. So I will tell you, my brothers, to if you do this huge mistake starting selling, then definitely they will fails down more and more, and they cannot give you a profit. You are, I think, lost everything, my brother. So my brother, what you do if you cannot sell? My brother, I share my opinion. Please remember, this is not a financial video, I just advise you. My opinion is that, my brothers, to please hold it, don't sell it, and wait for a good time. I hope the price will be going good now. So this time you can see here the resistance line, the white dot line is the resistance line. So it's mean, my brothers, to this coin is in the negative, because you can see after a jump they falls down. So it's mean to this coin is in the lost, minus 10.94%. the price is decreased now, because, my brother, this coin is falls down. So what's the main reason to this coin it falls down? The main reason is that to hold it or starting selling. So you need to don't hold it and wait for a good time. Thanks for watching. Please like this video, remember to subscribe this channel, and also press the bell icon for videos notification.